Hi everyone, this is Aldo from excelninja.com. In this video I want to show you how to use the function called concatenate to basically link different text that appears in different cells. For instance, let's say you have a list of surname and name of people, and they're all in different cells. So the surnames are all these in column A, whereas the first names are all in column B. So they are separate, and let's assume that ideally you would like together. So have, for instance, Adlu, John, or vice versa, and have them as one cell. So then you can manipulate it in a better way and use it in a different way. One way you could do it would be copy and then paste it in a different cell, then copy John, Control C, go in the same cell, space, Control V, there you go. But this is obviously laborious and time consuming. There is a better way, so don't do it that way. Do it using the function concatenate. So we type concatenate, and then what Excel asks for is a series of text to use in this function. So in this particular case we would then say that cell A3, comma, and then let's say we want to give a space between the surname and the name. Then we would then inverted comma space, close them, comma again, and then we would say B3, which is the first name, close. There you go. So now this particular cell is the combination of the contents of the text contents of A3, and then there is a space that we've added plus the text content of cell B3. Obviously, if you want to do name surname, it will be a case of doing concatenate again and then choose a different order. So choose B3 first, give it a space, and then the surname. Or say if you want to add Mr, for instance, MR as a text, dot space. Actually the space will put it after the dot. There you go. So now you have Mr. John Adler. So you can use this in saying export into Word and use it as a how to address someone if you write a letter, etc., etc. But it's a very much more practical way of combining text that sits in different cells into one that sits in one unique cell. Of course, then this is obviously then linked to the original cells. If you want to have it as a standalone value, you just copy, paste, you paste special values. In that way, the final cell, G3 in this instance, is not a formula any longer, it's just the actual text that you have extracted.